Hello, and welcome to this recorded presentation about the new M-Dante for iLive card from Allen Heath. We'll be telling you about this new addition to the Allen Heath iLive family and about the revolutionary audio networking technology it employs, Dante by Audinate. This presentation is split into 6 short parts, each less than 10 minutes long. In parts 1 and 2, we describe the basics of the iLive system and tell you about Dante audio over IP networking. In parts 3 and 4, you'll see an in-depth tour of the iLive system in action and a demonstration of live recording direct to a PC. In parts 5 and 6, we'll tell you more about Dante, the software tools that are included, and hear about AVB, audio-video bridging. Your hosts for this presentation are David Kirk, Marketing Manager at Allen Heath, Nicola Beretta, Product Specialist at Allen Heath, and Brad Price, Senior Technical Solutions Manager at Audinate. We'll start at part 1 and learn about M-Dante for iLive. Sit back and enjoy the show.
This is the new M-Dante option module, which can be used for iLive expansion, multi-track recording, virtual soundcheck, and integration with third-party devices. It adds to a range of option cards designed to allow audio distribution and networking. Now, I'm sure most of you are already familiar with iLive, but for those of you who aren't, let me quickly introduce the system. iLive builds on more than 40 years of analogue consoles and more than 15 years of digital mixing products by Allen Heath. It's more than a mixer, it's a distributed, networkable audio and control system. The core component of the system is what we call the MixRack. It's the DSP brain where all the mixing and processing happens, and it's usually connected to a surface. Now, because all our MixRacks are part of the same happy family and share the same software and language, you can actually mix and match any MixRack with any surface, transfer your scenes and memories between systems, and create your own flexible hire inventory. These are some of the reasons why iLive has been used worldwide for thousands of concerts, theatre shows, TV studios, corporate installations, and so on. Besides a surface, or instead of a surface in some cases, several other options can be used to control a MixRack, and these include MIDI, TCP/IP over Ethernet, iLive editor software on Mac or PC, the free iLive Tweak app for iPhone, and the new iPad Mixpad app. The iLive Fixed Format series is an evolution of the iLive range. It has the same performance and power, the same DSP engine, which is capable of 64 input channels and 32 output mixers with full processing, including compressor, parametric EQ, graphic EQ, and limiter, 8 stereo effects with dedicated returns, and carefully designed algorithms which emulate classic analog gear. It comes with a choice of surfaces and MixRacks in a compact and affordable design, and it's fully compatible with iLive modular systems. We can see a couple of pictures here. This is an IDR32 MixRack with a T112 surface. Here you can see an IDR48 with a T80, the rack-mountable R72 surface with an IDR16 and the new XDR16 expander. You've probably noticed that these MixRacks and expanders have an empty slot, which is what we call port B. We've got some other connections beside it, such as a built-in ACE interface for the Surface Link, MIDI sockets, headphones, PLAnet or Planet for our range of remote controls, and a built-in Ethernet switch, which by default is bridged to the ACE port, so that any TCP/IP data is tunneled over the Surface Link. But the port B is where we can fit all of our networking cards. Several industry standards are currently supported. We have an EtherSound module, a MADI module, the ACE module with our proprietary cost-effective ACE protocol, the Mini Multi-Out module with ADAT, Avium and IDR or HearBus connection, and the new RockNet, and of course Dante modules. So I'll hand over to Brad for a couple of minutes so that we can have a quick idea of what Dante is.
Thanks for watching this section. Now please continue to part 2 for more about the M-Dante for iLive system.